Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you always had a flair for fashion and a passion for blings? Well then, you might just be interested in starting your very own jewelry business. But how do you even start? This is what today's video is all about, giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to start your jewelry business. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Research. First things first, let's do some good old research. This might be like a no-brainer, but it's crucial to know the ins and outs of the jewelry industry before diving headfirst into it. Research your competitors, observe their pricing and products, and most importantly, figure out what stands you out from the rest of the jewelry entrepreneurs. Second step, create a business plan. Once you have done your research, it's time to create a business plan. It might seem like a tedious task, but trust me, it will save you a lot of time and headache in the long run. What you need to do is align your vision, target market, marketing strategies, expenses, and revenue projection. Having a clear plan will also help you secure fundings or investors if needed. I have a business plan for new jewelry entrepreneurs. If you are thinking of starting your jewelry business, this business plan is for you. It is just edit and you have your business plan. Easy peasy. Just change to your brand color, put in your pictures and change the logo, and you have a working business plan which you can use to get funding or know exactly what you're going to do in business line. The link is in the description and you can start with it right away. Let's go to the next point. Step 3, choose your niche. Now that you have gotten a solid business plan, it's time to decide your niche. Will you be focusing on a particular type of jewelry like rings, necklace, earrings, or maybe you want to specialize in custom-made pieces? Well, choosing your niche will help you stand out in a crowded market and attract the right kind of customers. Yes. Step 4, register your business. Congratulations! You are now ready to register your business. Decide on a name, register it within your local authorities, and obtain the necessary license and permits. This might seem like a tedious task, but it is crucial for legal protection and legitimacy. Step 5. Source your materials. Now here comes the fun part. Sourcing your materials. Whether you are using precious metals or beads, make sure you find reputable suppliers at reasonable prices. Do not be afraid to negotiate prices and ask for samples before committing to a supplier or a larger order. Create your products. With your materials in hand, it's time to start creating your product. This is where your creativity and design skills come into play. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and designs, and always keep your target audience in mind. Step 7, build your brand. Now that you have your product, it's time to build your brand. Create a website, social media account, and start marketing your product. Use high quality photos and compelling copies to showcase your jewelry. Tell your brand story. And always remember to engage with your audience, respond to comments, answer questions, and show appreciation for their support. Step 8, which is the final step, launch your business. This is the moment you have been waiting for, and it's here. It's time to launch your business. Host a launch event, collaborate with influencers, and use social media to spread the word. Don't forget to keep track of sales and customers' feedback and adjust your strategies accordingly. Starting a jewelry business might seem daunting, but with the right research, planning, and execution, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling journey. So go right ahead. Let your creativity and passion for jewelry shine through. The jewelry world awaits your bling. But please keep me posted because I would like to be part of your journey. Thanks for tuning in, but don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in our next video.